Ordering at a restaurant.
Good evening. How many people are dining tonight?
Just two of us. Can we sit by the window, please?
Sure, right this way. Here are your menus. Would you like to start with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water and she'll have a lemonade.
Great. I'll bring those right out. Have you decided on your food order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon with a side of vegetables.
And I'll have the chicken Caesar salad, please.
Excellent choices. Would you like any appetizers to start?
No, just the main courses, thank you.
Noted. I'll have your order in soon. Is there anything else I can get you?
Could we get some extra napkins, please?
Absolutely. I'll bring them right over.
After a while,
Here's your grilled salmon and Caesar salad. Enjoy your meal.
This looks delicious. Thank you.
later,
How was everything?
It was great. Thank you. Can we have the check, please?
Certainly. I'll be right back with your bill.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. You can pay by card or cash.
Perfect. Thank you for the wonderful service.
My pleasure. Have a great evening.
Dine. To eat dinner or have a meal.
Example, they prefer to dine at home instead of eating out.
Appetizer. A small dish served before the main course of a meal.
Example, we shared an appetizer of garlic bread before our main course arrived.
Main course. The primary or largest part of a meal.
Example, the main course was grilled salmon and Caesar salad.
Check. The bill or the total amount to be paid at a restaurant.
Example, after finishing our meal, we asked for the check.
Grilled. Cooked over a fire or hot surface.
Example, I ordered a grilled steak for dinner.
Napkin. A piece of cloth or paper used while eating to wipe the mouth and hands.
Example, could you pass me a napkin, please?
Credit card. A plastic card used to make payments electronically.
Example, he paid for the meal with his credit card.
Snowfall. Look around. It's snowing.
Wow, it's beautiful. I love watching the snowfall.
Me too. Everything looks so peaceful when it's covered in snow.
Do you know if it's going to snow all day?
I checked the weather this morning. They said we might get several inches of snow by tonight.
That's a lot. We should probably shovel the driveway before it gets too deep.
Good idea. I'll grab the snow shovel. Do you want to help?
Sure, but let's wait until it stops snowing so we don't have to do it twice.
True. I guess we can just enjoy the snowfall for now.
Yeah, it's nice to just relax and watch it fall. We could make a snowman later.
That sounds fun. Or maybe even have a snowball fight.
I'm in. It's been years since I've had a good snowball fight.
We'll need to bundle up though. It's really cold out there.
Definitely. I'll get my winter coat, scarf, and gloves ready.
I love snow, but I hate the cold. At least we can warm up with some hot chocolate afterward.
Sounds perfect. Let's enjoy the view for now and then head outside later.
Agreed. Look how quickly the snow is piling up. It's going to be a winter wonderland out there.
I know. It makes everything look so magical.
I can't wait to take some pictures. The snowfall always makes the trees look amazing.
Yeah, it's the best part of winter. Let's make the most of it.
Vocabulary. Shovel. To remove snow from an area, usually with a tool called a snow shovel. For example, we'll need to shovel the driveway once it stops snowing. Snowman. A figure made from packed snow, typically shaped like a person. Example: let's build a snowman in the yard. Bundle up. To dress warmly, wearing layers of clothing to protect from the cold. Example: make sure to bundle up before you go outside in the snow. Piling up. When snow gathers in one place over time, making a bigger pile. Example: the snow is really piling up on the ground. Winter wonderland. A landscape that is transformed by snow into something beautiful and magical. Example: the fresh snow turned the park into a winter wonderland.
Conversation at the garden. Wow, the garden looks beautiful today.
It really does. The flowers are blooming so nicely. Have you seen the new rose bushes?
Yes, they're gorgeous. I love the different colors.
Me too. I think the gardeners did a great job this season.
Definitely. I've been thinking of adding some flowers to my own garden at home. Do you have any suggestions?
You should try planting tulips. They're easy to grow, and they add such bright colors to any garden.
That's a good idea. I've always liked tulips. Do they need a lot of sunlight?
Yes, tulips need a sunny spot to grow well, but they're pretty low maintenance.
That sounds perfect for me. I'll try planting some next weekend.
Great. If you need any tips, let me know. I've been gardening for a few years now.
I definitely will. Oh, look at that butterfly near the lavender. It's so pretty.
It is. The lavender always attracts butterflies. It's one of the reasons I love this garden.
It's so peaceful here. I could spend hours just relaxing and enjoying the view.
Same. It's the perfect place to unwind after a busy week.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I try to come at least once a week. It's my little escape from the city.
I should come here more often too. It's such a nice break from everything.
You definitely should. Maybe we can meet here next weekend and plan some gardening ideas.
That sounds like a plan.
Vocabulary.
Bloom. When a flower opens up or reaches its full beauty. Example: the flowers are blooming so nicely this season.
Rose bush. A bush that produces roses. Example: the new rose bushes in the garden look stunning. Lavender. A fragrant plant with purple flowers that often attracts butterflies. Example: the lavender in the garden always attracts butterflies. Unwind. To relax and de-stress after a busy or stressful period. Example: the garden is the perfect place to unwind after a long week. Attract. To cause something to come closer or be interested. Example: the lavender flowers attract butterflies. Low maintenance. Requiring little time and effort to care for. Example: tulips are pretty low maintenance and easy to grow. Gardener. A person whose job or hobby is caring for plants and gardens. Example: the gardeners did a great job with the new plants. Sunlight. The light from the sun, necessary for plants to grow. Example: tulips need plenty of sunlight to grow well.